Hello kids, we are learning A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. To start, this is a black color A. This is a A. This is a B. Red color. And this is a C. A, B, C. Black color, red color and blue color. Now we started. One blue color. Two red color. Three blue color. Now I again writing A, B and C. 1, 2 and this is a 3. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video.